Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the exact objective and the player entries you want gone. Open Chat and run Scoreboard Objectives List to confirm the objective name, then run Scoreboard Players List Objective to see current entries. Once done, make sure you have operator privileges or cheats enabled. This command requires permission. You need the precise player name or a selector. Make no assumptions about capitalization. Now you're ready to remove the entry using the removal command. Now run the actual removal. Type Scoreboard Players Reset Player Name Objective to clear a single player, or use a selector, at P for nearest, at A for all. Once executed, that player's entry is deleted from the objective data. The game no longer tracks that score. If you need to clear many entries, use Scoreboard Players Reset at Objective carefully. Make sure objective name matches exactly, and avoid accidental mass resets by double-checking your selector before pressing Enter. Finally, verify the change by running Scoreboard Players List Objective again. The removed player should no longer appear. If the entry persists, check spelling, capitalization, and whether you targeted the right objective. Minecraft treats names as exact. Also, make sure you actually had operator or cheat rights when you ran the reset. Without permission, the command silently fails. If you still hit issues, relog or restart the world. Then retry the reset command. This often resolves stale display or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.